Hi, today we're going to talk about this product here, Chlorella. Hopefully I'm pronouncing it right. It's a very, very good product to have. I take this supplement pretty much weekly. Is an algae, and is you can find this in capsule form, tablet, powder, or extract form. But I have a little tablet here, the screen tablet here. Very good. It definitely have a lot of benefits. I've actually had a brain lapse, but I know what it does. I know it lowers your cholesterol. That's for one. Very good. It contains a lot of different ingredients. Has fiber, omega 3. Um, what else does it have? Well, I know it have different vitamins. Different supplements. It has a little magnesium, small amounts of magnesium, zinc, uh, potassium, uh, and B12. Actually, it has other ingredients there, but it's very, very good to take. Very, very good. Again, you can always consult with your local physician, and also, but I'm sure that your doctor wouldn't have an issue with it. You can research it yourself. But Chlorella, Chlorella, I'm getting it right. Very good to take. Check it out. Again, you can't go wrong. And I'll talk to you again on the next episode.